हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम डॉक्टर शालू पुंज, कॉस्मेटिक एंड प्लास्टिक सर्जन। आज हम एक बहुत कॉमन मिथ के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। ब्रेस्ट इम्प्लांट को हर 10 साल बाद रिप्लेस करना जरूरी होता है कि नहीं? एक्चुअली दिस इज नॉट कम्प्लीटली ट्रू। Breast implants are medical devices, and like any implant that is used in surgery, they are not considered lifetime devices. Over time, certain changes can happen, and that does not mean that every woman will need implant replacement exactly after 10 years. The most common reason for implant replacement are: first is implant rupture or leakage, and second is capsular contracture. Let us first talk about implant rupture. The rupture of breast implant, it means that there is some tear or hole in it. Often there are no symptoms when implant rupture. That's because the silicone that leaks out of the implant tend to stay or get trapped in the tissue surrounding it. This is called silent rupture. Silent rupture does not cause any symptoms, and they are often found during ultrasound or MRI that has been done for some other reason. But sometimes it may lead to breast pain or changes in the shape of the breast. If there is a silent or detectable implant rupture, it has to be removed surgically. And it is therefore recommended that if you have a silicone breast implant, you should have an MRI done every 2 years to screen for a possible silent rupture. Another condition for which the implant replacement can be required is capsular contracture. So what is capsular contracture? The formation of capsule of a scar tissue around the implant happens, and this is a normal part of healing process. Body automatically react करती है किसी भी foreign object के लिए जब वो डिटेक्ट करती है कि बॉडी में कोई फॉरेन ऑब्जेक्ट है, और वो अटेम्प्ट करती है टू आइसोलेट दैट ऑब्जेक्ट बाय क्रिएटिंग अ बैरियर इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ स्कार टिश्यू अराउंड इट. इन केस ऑफ ब्रेस्ट इम्प्लांट, this is obviously a good thing as it is separated from the normal tissue. In some patient, however, this capsule of scar tissue becomes unusually hard and starts to contract around the implant, जिसकी वजह से ब्रेस्ट हार्ड फील हो सकता है, उसमें पेन होना स्टार्ट हो सकता है, या फिर ब्रेस्ट की शेप जो है चेंज हो सकती है. इम्पॉर्टेंट बात ये है कि दीज कॉम्प्लिकेशंस कैन हैपन एट एनी टाइम. समटाइम्स दे कैन हैपन अर्लियर, समटाइम मच लेटर, but this doesn't mean that implant has to be replaced every 10 years. Many implant remains perfectly fine even after 10 to 15 years. So there is no fixed rule that implant must be changed at a 10-year mark if there is no symptom or problem. Main thing is regular follow-up. Routine breast examination, mammograms, ultrasound or MRI, depending upon the patient age and condition, help us to monitor implant health and detect any issue if it happens earlier. So decision जो है implant removal का या replace का should always be individualized and based on the medical evaluation, based on patient symptoms and patient comfort. Thank you.